When it comes to protecting your home and family, ensuring the security of your property is a top priority. While many homeowners focus on locks, alarm systems, and surveillance cameras, one of the most overlooked aspects of home security is the door. Your front door is not only a key feature of your home's curb appeal but also a primary entry point for intruders. In Miami Beach, where homes are often exposed to higher humidity and occasional storms, the durability and security of your door are crucial. Upgrading to a new, high-quality door can make a significant difference in your home's security. Here's how door replacement in Miami Beach can enhance the security of your home and provide you with peace of mind. Stronger materials for better protection. One of the most immediate benefits of replacing an old door is the use of stronger materials that offer better protection. Many older doors, particularly wooden ones, can deteriorate over time due to exposure to the elements, leaving them vulnerable to damage and break-ins. Miami Beach's humid climate can cause wood doors to warp, rot, or weaken, making them easier for intruders to force open. Steel and fiberglass doors are popular replacements because they are significantly stronger than traditional wood doors. These materials are resistant to cracking, warping, and rotting, offering enhanced security. A steel door is particularly effective at preventing forced entry because it's not only strong but also harder to break through than other materials. Solid core construction. Many modern doors are built with solid cores rather than hollow designs, providing additional strength and resistance against physical attacks. By opting for a durable material in your door replacement, you create a robust barrier that is far more difficult to breach than the typical, older wooden door. Advanced locking mechanism. While a sturdy door is crucial, the locking mechanism is equally important when it comes to home security. Many older doors come with outdated locks that can be easily bypassed by experienced burglars. Today's doors often come with high security locks that are designed to resist tampering and provide greater peace of mind. Multi-point locking systems. These locking systems secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it much harder to force the door open. This is a highly effective security feature that many homeowners opt for during door replacement in Miami Beach. Deadbolts and smart locks. Pairing your new door with modern deadbolts or even smart locks can significantly improve your security. Smart locks allow you to control access to your home remotely, and many models come with features like automatic locking, temporary access codes, and activity monitoring. By upgrading your door's lock system, you add an extra layer of protection that keeps your home safe and secure from potential intruders. Increased resistance to forced entry. A new door doesn't just improve the strength of the materials, it also increases the door's resistance to forced entry. Older doors may have weak points, such as worn-out hinges, poor seals, or improperly installed locks. Over time, these weak spots can make it easier for an intruder to break in. Reinforced hinges and frames. Modern replacement doors are designed with reinforced frames and hinges that are harder to tamper with or break. Stronger, more secure hardware means that your door will be able to withstand more force before giving way. Impact-resistant glass. Many contemporary doors include impact-resistant glass in addition to solid materials. This is particularly beneficial in Miami Beach, where hurricane-resistant doors are increasingly popular. The reinforced glass is highly resistant to breaking, making it difficult for intruders to smash the glass and reach the interior locks. By choosing a high-quality door and securing the installation with premium hardware, your home becomes much more difficult to access by force. Protection from weather and environmental damage. Miami Beach homes are often exposed to severe weather, such as hurricanes, heavy rain, and strong winds. Over time, these environmental factors can compromise the integrity of older doors, making them less effective at protecting your home. Hurricane-rated doors. In Miami Beach, hurricane-rated doors are a must for many homeowners. These doors are specifically designed to withstand the force of high winds and flying debris, providing both security and protection during a storm. Weather seals and insulation. Modern doors come with weather seals that prevent air and moisture from entering, which not only helps keep your home comfortable but also prevents water damage. A well-sealed door prevents humidity and rain from infiltrating your home, protecting your interior from mold, mildew, and other weather-related issues. By replacing your old door with one that is built to withstand the elements, you provide an additional layer of security against both intruders and weather-related damage. Improved aesthetics and enhanced home value. While the primary function of a door is to provide security, it's also an important aspect of your home's aesthetic appeal. A new, stylish door can enhance the overall look of your home's exterior and make a lasting impression on visitors and potential buyers. Increased curb appeal. Upgrading your door can improve your home's curb appeal, especially if your existing door is outdated or damaged. A sleek, modern door can complement your home's architectural style and add visual appeal. Higher resale value. Homebuyers are often attracted to homes with high-quality doors because they know it's a feature that offers security, durability, and energy efficiency. A new door can make your property more marketable, increasing its resale value if you decide to sell. Conclusion. Door replacement in Miami Beach is more than just an aesthetic upgrade, it's a vital investment in your home's security and protection. A new door can provide a range of benefits, from stronger materials and advanced locks to better resistance to forced entry and weather damage. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's appearance, increase security, or ensure protection from the elements, replacing your door offers peace of mind and long-term value. With the right choice of materials, locks, and installation, you can make your home safer, more efficient, and more attractive.